Boom, what we're doing today. You guys probably see what I'm holding in my hands right now, but yeah, I've decided, you know what, yeah, the S3, I've had enough, yeah. I don't race, but when I drive the car hard and I brake, right, the brakes fade, and it's really annoying. When it gets hot, it fades, and I have to like pump the brakes to like get the car to stop, which is really annoying. But yeah, we're gonna be upgrading. We're going for the YellowStuff brake pads. I've heard a lot of things about these brake pads and how good they are and all of that stuff. So yeah, man, it's gonna be lit, man. YellowStuff brake pads. I was gonna go with the blue ones, but I thought, you know what, yeah, the blue one's a little bit too extreme. So I thought, you know what, I'll go with the yellow ones and yeah, put them on the car. But yeah, we're gonna put them on today. Get rid of the crap Brembos on the car. Apparently, I should make freaking Brembos. So yeah, that's something I heard a few days ago. So yeah, I thought Brembos were the best, but they're really not that good at all. So yeah, we're gonna upgrade. Right, first of all, can't do the pads there. So what I need to do is I need to move the car a little bit. I need to move it a little bit this way so I can jack the other side up and basically get to work. But yeah, let's move the car. Then I'll show you the setup that I have in the van, tools and everything, and then we'll get started. Right, okay guys, it would help if I unlock the car. I just want you guys to hear the cold start. I haven't driven this car in a week. Oh my God. This thing is so loud. I don't know if you can hear me, but you can hear it. That's loud. Let me take my hoodie off. That's really loud, man. Yeah, that's loud. That's me turning it on in efficiency as well. Imagine if I turned it on in dynamic mode, man, or the valves open. That would be, mate, it sounds so freaking loud, man. Hear it again, look, watch. That is so mad, that is so loud. Anyways, I'm gonna move it because, like I said, we can't work where the car is at the moment. So yeah, move it a little bit more in the middle here so that I can jack the other side up. Let me show you guys what we have going on right now, as in the back of the van, the setup. You know what, let me just take you guys with me. I was gonna stop the camera rolling, but I'll just take you guys with me. But yeah, obviously we've got the van here, my work van. I would take this to work and that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what we have going on. Okay, so as you can see, this is what we got going on. So I got my tools ready to go. Obviously I don't have my big tool box here because it's at work, but this is what I have. Yeah, you know, you get the idea. In this bag, obviously I had to get a few things from my big tool box at work, but we got in here, we got my impact gun, pair of pliers, and some brake grease, and a flat screwdriver. And then here we go. This is the bad boys. Look at the size of them. They're flipping massive. They're huge. Look at them. They're humongous, mate. Humongous. Yeah, I really can't wait to test these out, man. See what the hype is about. But yeah, we got one with the sensor, obviously, because the car has the sensor. So yeah. But yeah, I got my gloves there ready. Whack them on, and boom, ready to go. All I need to do right now is just jack the car up, and I was gonna put some axle stands underneath, but I am Mujahideen. Don't need no axle stands. But yeah, yeah. I'm just gonna stop blabbing on. I'm just too excited right now. Too excited. But yeah, I'm just gonna shh, and you guys can watch. Oh my God, this thing is so heavy. Oh my God, I dropped something. Oh my God. Oh my God. I take 3 weeks off the gym, yeah? And everything feels so heavy. First of all, guys, I just want to say, yeah, the crepes, is matching the stripes. So don't come for me, bruv. Yeah, don't try holler at me, bruv. You feel me? Don't try it. Anyways, I ain't used this jack in ages, bruv. It's bare squeaky. Alright, let's get this bad boy up. Oh my god, I forgot how heavy this flipping car is, bruv. You know that? Proper forgot how heavy it is. Oh my god. Okay, check the jack and point again. Yeah, we good. We good. You know, this is my car in it, so I need to make sure, yeah, that it's jacked in the right places and work done very, very well. Anyways, I gotta take this cap off. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this cap, I need to take this cap off so I can get to the wheels and gun the wheels off. And also, yeah, the brake pads at the moment is looking low, but I'll show you guys when I get them out. Right, let's see. I think it's in the boot actually. Let's have a little look. Ah, there he is. There she is, the magic needle. The magic needle. And that just, oh my god. Hey, there we go. Let's not scratch it up. Oh my god. I'm trying to use one hand, yeah. Because I want one hand to be clean so I can operate my camera. But, let's get to work. Let's open this bad boy up. This is just so the air can escape. Right, okay, I'm gonna turn the steering wheel to the left. My left, your right. Turn the steering wheel so I got more access. Normally, when I take the caliper off, it kind of pulls on the brake cable. So in order for me to prevent that, I just lift it up. It stretches it a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. It's not gonna break. Then I just push the caliper out. I push it away, and then it just comes out of there. And then we can see. Oh my goodness! Now I know. Oh my god, man! Now I know why the brakes are squeaking so bad. The pads are just really, really bad. They're meant to be Brembo pads, but they're just not it, man. Look at them. The state of them. They look terrible. Still got some life left in them, but I rather change it now so that my braking is good. These are so rusty, man. What? How are they so rusty? Flipping now, that's crazy. I forgot to get the wire brush, honestly. I'm actually a little bit annoyed. Right, okay, so before we carry on, I need to grease these brake pads up. It's because I do not want them to squeak. So yeah, we've got some nice lubricant here. Anti-seal lubricant for the brake pads. So I'm gonna squeeze some of this on and just grease these bad boys up because yeah, we don't want no squeaks, bruh. Don't want no squeaks. Look at what I'm doing. Gotta get these bad boys greased. I don't know how much grease is supposed to put on these because I've never actually installed EBC brake pads in my life. But I'm just gonna assume they're like normal brake pads and just grease them up how I would normally just grease normal brake pads. Well, put the amount of grease I would normally put with just normal brake pads. Right, I'm not actually sure there's a specific way these goes on, but I'm just gonna put them on. Right. These are a little bit annoying because you gotta put them on a certain way. You gotta kind of like push in. Oh my god, that was close. Nearly took my finger off. Oh my god, these are a snug fit, aren't they? Flipping out. Alright. Yeah, we good. We good. Oh my god. We good. Yeah, that's that side. Right, now let's put this side on. So push in. These wires so annoying, man. So there's little tab things, yeah, that you're gonna need to push with when you put it, that's it. And then the other side as well. There we go, boom. I look sick, bro. I need to post on Instagram right now. Right, so there's the old ones. Oh, the two there. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Yellow stuff. Got the camera there rolling as well. Come on. BTS, come on. The BTS, what are you telling me? Look at it. My hands are so dirty, but look. BTS and that. But yeah, man. Sick. Had to do 1-2 posts and that on Instagram and that. Come on. Come on. Alright, so, alright, let's get this back on. Alright, caliper in. Remain. Slide. Oh my God. Slide her in. There we go. Beautiful. And then just lower it in. Bring on. There we go. And then just put the boat back on. You know what, guys? Yeah, I see so many people's car. Yeah, when I look at it, yeah, I see so many people's car, and they got like YellowStuff pads in there, and I look at it, I'm like, wow, that looks so sick. And you know what? Yeah, just being able to see it on my car, yeah, it's like next level, bruv. Like the feeling is next level. Like when I like look at people's car and I see the yellow stuff in there, I was like, oh, that's sick, bruv. My man's got the yellow stuff pads, yeah. I'm thinking to myself, that looks sick, bruv. But you know what, yeah? Looking at it and seeing it myself, yeah, it's sick, bruv. I feel like it just gives a little bit of colour inside the brakes. And when you look inside the wheel as well, you can see like a little bit of colour through there as well, which is really nice. That yellow is in there is really nice. But yeah, if I manage to film this all one-handed, I'll be so gassed and happy, because obviously I need this hands clean so I can mess around with the camera. But yeah, that is looking absolutely sick. Right, let's put the wheel on, jack the other side up and do the other side. I'm gonna wash the car tomorrow, actually. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh my God, I forgot how light these wheels are. The wheels are so freaking light. It's crazy. Just like that. Beautiful. Right, let's get this up. Oh my God. There we go. Just had to go with the bolts out. Ugh. Right, okay, so literally the same thing for this side. Oh my God, there's a freaking spider on me. The spiders just don't give you a break here. Anyways, lift the caliper up, then push the pistons back. There we go. Come on. Oh, I know what. Allow it. I'm just gonna lift it up like that. What the heck? Yo, bruv, what the flip? Bruv, these are meant to be Brembo brake pads, bruv. What the actual hell? Bruv, the pad is missing. Yo. What? Bruv. Now look at this, yeah? Where's that side of the pad? Yeah, that's the pad there. Look how low that is as well. Look how low that is. Yeah, good thing. I was gonna hold this back and change it like at some point next week, but good thing I didn't because this is low. Look at this. And look, where's this side? This side is literally gone, missing, gone. It's not even like it fell off while I took the pads out because the piece is not even there. And you can tell because of the colour. Like, look at all the brake dust on there. That's been gone for a long time. That's why I was getting bare squeaks. Like, bare squeaks. Bearing in mind, guys, this is meant to be a Brembo brakes. Brembo pads. Guys, do not spend your money and buy Brembos because Aisha makes these Brembo pads. Brembos don't actually make brake pads. They make only calipers, yeah? These are Aisha pads. And honestly, I've had Aisha pads on cars before. My Corsa had Aisha pads, and exactly the way these pads look, that is exactly the way the pads in the Corsa looks. Right. I'm going to clean these up again. Brembos, nah. Never ever putting Brembos on the car again. Even if I can't even afford to put EBCs on. These EBCs cost me like £150. When these EBC pads go, and I need pads ASAP, yeah, and I can't afford the EBCs, yeah, mate, I'm just gonna go buy genuine pads, honestly. Brembos, nah, no way. Everyone hypes up about Brembos, yeah, and everyone says Brembo is sick, Brembo is that, Brembo is awesome, get some Brembo pads on your car. Bruv, I've just experienced it, yeah, and they're absolute garbage, absolute garbage. You're telling me, yeah, in a year, yeah, a chunk of my flipping brake pads has just come off. Like, are you dumb? Are you actually stupid? Okay, there you go. That wasn't so hard, was it, you little P word? Right, same with this side. Nice. Right, let's lower this caliper down. Beautiful. Just watch that sensor as well. You would not want to cut the sensors. All right, put that in. The brake light sensor is on the flipping car, yeah. So it's been on for like, I think like 2 weeks, or something like that. No, a week actually. It's been on. So yeah, I'm not going to be having no annoying brake pad little message anymore in the car. So yeah, that's going to be good. Just tighten this bad boy up. Make sure she's tight. Right. Let's lower this down. Bada bing, bada boom. One more piece of the puzzle, which is this thing, which we're on. Yes, we're on. Last piece of the puzzle. Oh, beautiful, man. So guys, there you have it. That's been a wild one. It's been a little bit of a bittersweet moment because obviously the pads that I had in the car, which I thought was good pads, but then they're not good pads from Brembos, you know. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna call it a wrap. That's been me changing the brake pads in the car for EBC YellowStuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like the video as well. Comment down below and tell me if you enjoyed the video, and also tell me your thoughts and views. Tell me if you got EBC brakes on your car. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.